In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Hailuo AI account. If you're sure you want to close your account, I'll walk you through the exact clicks, highlight what to look for on each screen, and share a few tips so you know what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and going to Hailuo AI Video. Make sure you're signed into the account you plan to delete. If you use multiple accounts, double check you're on the correct one before moving on, because the action you're about to take is intended to be permanent. Once you're on the site, look to the left side of the interface for the profile icon. It typically looks like a small person silhouette or an avatar. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This is where Hailuo AI groups personal settings and account controls, so it's the right place to manage anything tied to your profile. In the menu that opens, choose Manage Account. That will take you to your account management page where you can review core details and access options that affect your profile and data. Take a moment here to confirm you're still on the intended account and consider whether you need anything from it before deletion, such as save projects or settings. If the platform offers exports, it's a good idea to do that beforehand. Next, find and click Delete My Account. This option is usually presented clearly because it's a significant action. Before you proceed, be aware that deleting your account may remove your data, content, and any remaining credits or benefits associated with the account. If you have a paid plan, check your billing to understand how cancellation works and whether any charges are still pending, as deletion typically can't be reversed. You'll now see an explanation of what deletion means. Read this notice carefully. It outlines what will be removed and any conditions that apply. When you're ready, click the radio button to confirm you've read and understand the consequences. This acknowledgement is there to prevent accidental deletions and to make sure you're making an informed choice. Finally, click Continue to proceed. Depending on the platform's policies, your account may be scheduled for deletion immediately or after a short processing period. During that time, access to your content and tools will end, and recovery is generally not possible, so only continue if you're fully certain. That's it. You went to the site, opened your profile, entered Manage Account, chose Delete My Account, confirmed by selecting the radio button, and clicked Continue. Take a breath and make sure this aligns with your plans going forward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.